Hello, you're welcome to today's class. Today we want to mimic the sound bees make by using cardboard paper, rubber band and adhesive putty. So to do this, we're going to cut our cardboard paper by first of all fold it into two like this. Then you get your lollipop stick and you put it at this edge. Then you measure 1.5 centimeters from each end and you mark it from each end. This is 1.5 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter, then half is this way. So you measure it 1.5. Also at this end too, 1.5. 1.5. You mark it. Then you draw your bee like this. Two amazing curves, something like this. Then you cut out the shape of the bee neatly. Okay, so this is what you have. So let's cut it out like this neatly. We are done. You'll be left with something like this. Okay. Next is let's give our bee two eyes. One eye here, I will shade it. Let's turn the other side. Okay. Yeah, something like this. On the other side, give it another eye. Then you have two eyes like this. Like this. So let's give it some stripes on its body, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So let's shade it so that it will look beautiful. Okay, let's shade this other one also. And finally, let's shade the other one. So then you have something like this. Let's turn the other side. So let's quickly shade it. Something like this. And finally this one. So when you are done, you have something like this. Next, you take your lollipop stick and you put it in between this part like this. You have something like this. Then you staple it with the stapler like this. And like this. Cut it. So let's use our ruler to press this one down. Good. Next, you get your string and cut something of this length with scissors. We're done with this, so let's drop it. So you have something like this. Then you tie it at this other end. Like this. tight so that it is very strong. And let's tie it again. Good. When you are done, you have something like this. Then get your adhesive putty and make 2 lumps. So put 1 lump at this end to hold the rope. Make sure it's very firm. Then put the other one at this side. Make sure it's firm. Good. Then you have something like this when you're done. Next, get 1 rubber band. Then you put it at this end like this. Then you have something like this. It's your rope. Next is to test it. So let's clear our table. Good. Your buzzer is ready. How does it work? You hold it at this end, then you keep winding it until it makes that sound. When air is passing through this rubber band, it makes the sound. This rubber band moves about 200 times per second and it makes a buzz sound. Now we are done. Let's see how it works. You are going to hold the rope at this end and keep spinning it until you hear the buzzing sound bees make. So let's try it. Did you hear that? You can keep trying your own until it makes that sound. How does it work? As air is passing through this rubber band, it's moving about 200 times per second, and that's what's producing that sound. That'll be all for the buzzer today. See you next time.